Hello, welcome to this new part 5 tutorial on Ionic 3 about navigating to pages. Recall from the previous section, we had a function inside our list page class that looks something like this. Item tapped, event, item, this.navControl.push, item details page, item, item. Here we are referencing a class called item details page, which is another page included in the tutorial started project. We can use it here because of the import statement at the top of src slash pages slash list slash list.ts. You see, you can use it here because it has been imported on the top of the list.ts file. Let's revisit our app in the browser. When we tap an item, it will navigate to the item details page using the code above. As a bonus, Ionic automatically adds a back button to the pushed view. Let's revisit our app in the browser. When we tap an item in the list item page, my first list, as you can see, it navigates to the item details page using the code above. As a bonus, Ionic automatically adds a back button, there it is, to the published view. You can tap any item, there's a back button there. We use item details page. Because we have imported it here. There it is, item details. It was imported. If you want more about how this works, you can see the navbar documentation for options to hide or change the back button text. I'll put the link in the description to the documentation. So let's get a little bit deep into how this all works. Navigation in Ionic works like a simple stack where we push to the new pages on top of the stack, which takes us forward in the app and shows a back button. To go backward, we pop the top page off. Since we set this.navControl in the constructor, we can call this.navControl.push and pass it the page we want to navigate to. We can also pass it an object containing data we would like to pass to the page being navigated to. Using push to navigate to a new page is simple, but Ionic's navigation system is very flexible. You can check out the docs to see more advanced navigation examples. When it comes to URLs, the latest Ionic works a bit differently than Ionic version 1.x. Instead of using URLs to navigate, we use them to make sure we can always come back to a page on app launch, for example. This means we aren't limited to using href to navigate around. However, we still have the option to use a URL to navigate to a page when necessary. Nice job! You've made it through the tutorial and are on your way towards Ionic mastery. If you're looking for an overview of what else is included with Ionic, check out the component docs which we will produce more tutorials about. To learn about using device APIs, head over to the native section. If at any point you need help, check out our Ionic's developer resource section or ask questions on the forum. Thanks for following this tutorial. Bye bye. See you next time.